Welcome back to our kitchen. Today we're going to be making a delicious and authentic homemade chicken tikka masala. Let's get started. For this recipe, we're going to need some boneless chicken breasts, yogurt, ginger garlic paste, garam masala, cumin, coriander powder, turmeric powder, paprika, tomato sauce, cream, butter, and some salt to taste. Now, let's add our boneless chicken breasts to the marinade and mix them well, making sure that the chicken is coated evenly with the marinade. Then, we'll cover the bowl with plastic wrap and refrigerate it for at least an hour to let the chicken marinate. While our chicken is cooking, let's prepare the sauce. We'll start by adding some butter to a separate skillet on medium heat. Once the butter melts, we'll add some ginger garlic paste and sauté it until it's fragrant. Then, we'll add some tomato sauce, garam masala, and salt to taste, and let it cook for a few minutes until the sauce thickens. Now, our chicken is ready, and our sauce is done. Let's add the chicken to the sauce and let it cook for a few more minutes until it's fully coated with the sauce. And there you have it, our delicious and authentic homemade chicken tikka masala. I hope you enjoy making this recipe as much as I did. Thank you for watching.